What's up, guys? Oh man, it is hot out today and decided to take a break from snowboarding, and I think we're gonna do some mountain biking at Breck today. Keep it pretty mellow, keep it chill. Their trails are pretty mild, but be a nice way to get some sun and get a little bit of exercise in. I'm meeting up with Jonathan. We're gonna go pick him up a bike and let him have a rip at it too. So it should be a lot of fun, guys. Have you ever ridden Breck?
Yes.
Sick. Dope. All right, guys, we took the bus up. We didn't want to pay 40 bucks for a ticket, so we're gonna put in some work to get some biking in. We're at the Peaks Trail on Peak 7, and got Jonathan working on his camera stuff. We're about to send it though. Send it real slow.
It's 1989.
Slipped the chain right when it got flowy. Come on. Guys, it is hot out. Halfway, I don't know, on the Peaks Trail. It's awesome though. It's beautiful, but it's a lot uphill. All right, what do you think so far?
I'm just worried about getting back in time.
What time? It's 1 o'clock.
Easy.
Easy.
Easy pedaling. I have no idea where we're at.
Me neither. All right, views are opening up. This is looking great. Smooth sailing. Time crunch. Let's go. It's a weird mixture of rock and real loose crud. It's a slick trail. All right, let's wait up for Jonathan. All right, so verdict so far, this trail's pretty awesome. The beginning's really technical with sharp rocks and whatnot, but it's starting to smooth out, get really flowy, and with the kind of the soft sliding dirt, makes it a little bit more interesting and really fun to kind of kick out and whatnot. Yeah, we're good. I know we said we were downhilling today. Pretty sure we're uphilling.
What?
All right, there's past Breck. Getting the Frisco Trail. This is sick. This is dope.
You know we were doing this.
We got time.
There should be a way to go down this way that puts us off
The bike path.
bike path.
Yeah. Dope. Awesome. We're crushing it. So far, we're crushing it.
On our way home?
I mean, yeah,
Yeah, Copper Mountain. We don't go that way.
we go this way.
Frisco 4 miles. Breck 6.
It's less than Breck, so really it's going to be faster to take the bike trail anyway.
Go to Frisco and take the bike trail back.
Yeah, if anything. 126.
130. Yeah.
We got it.
We got this.
Yeah, we do.
We
Time
got
crunches
this.
are the best. Last time running down a mountain, this time biking down it. That's what it's about. All right, 4 more miles till Frisco. Jonathan went ahead. We're gonna mob hard and come catch him. Let's get it. Woo. This trail's so sick. Yeah. Woo. No over the bars. 1 for Kyle, 0 for bike. Crap. Yoo-hoo-hoo. And this is the path, recreational path. Frisco that way, Breck that way. Man, yeah, Peak 7 trail, big yes if you're in the area. Hike it, it's beautiful, wildflowers, lots of different vegetation, and really great flowy sections. Everybody was very respectful, everybody knew their etiquette, and yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do like Montezuma next and hit some of that, because that's, I know that hike that and it's pretty epic as well. All right. Whew. Had to take a break, snap a photo for a family. Yeah, gotta do what you gotta do. We got horses. Hey. All right, 5 miles, bud. It's 2:10, we gotta get going. All right, super sick, guys. Back into Breckenridge.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
Have a good one. You see that? What a cutie. That puppy was adorable. So I'm not sure where Jonathan is, if I should wait for him or just keep plugging along. It's 2:30. Maybe do the river trail here. Hey, all right. I found him. He found me. What a stud. All right, so we found Jonathan. I was gonna take this dirt path, but he kind of zipped by and just goes, I hate every second of this. Good news is we're at the rec center, so we're almost there. But you wouldn't hate it if you're on dirt, crushing it. Let's catch him. Man, the Blue River's so flippin' pretty. All right, guys, we made it. My other SD card is full. This one's full, so I don't know how much of the end I got. Look at Jonathan here. Thanks for the rental, man. Absolutely. Good time. Smoked. He did good, man. He crushed it.
Dead.
Dead.
Completely dead. I have 4 minutes of record time left too. Dead.
Dead.
Whew. So sick, guys. Highly recommend Peak 7 Trail. Got my bike disassembled. Run a little behind schedule. I got to take off to Denver tonight, and hopefully be back in the morning and get after it again. Hope you enjoyed as always, and I'll see you soon.